In this video, I'm gonna share with you a proper beginner to advanced roadmap about HTML. I'm damn sure that if you follow my roadmap, you will be a best HTML coder. So without wasting the time, let's get started the video. Okay, if you to first have to start with the HTML files and extension, how to write an HTML file, how to make an HTML file, or what is the extension of HTML file. Then you have to learn H1, H2 and H3 like headings, which are the headings of HTML, like how big is the H1 heading, then how big is the H2 heading, blah blah blah. Then practice it in every day around 1 or 4 hours. Then learn about paragraph, bold, italic, and a lot of things like that. You can do multiple things with these elements, like if you that which are gonna be, if you write a paragraph, which tag you have to write, if you bold the line of text, that which tag should you include, and how to italic your text, and a lot of things. Then make a project based on them so that you can write it easily in next time. If you do practice a lot, you will be the best, because you know what, practice makes a man perfect. So make a project based on them. I hope you will be benefited. Then and this project will take probably about 10 or 20 minutes. Then after finishing the project, then learn how to link a text, what is the attribute under a text. Next to that, learn about images in HTML, then how to add an image from online link, and then how to add an image from your local server, not local server, from your local computer, or from your local folder. Then after that, learn about list, container, list, and then container tag, order list, and unordered list. List will be like order list, which is OL, and under that is li. I'm giving you a roadmap. I'll not say you the every text. I'll give a short knowledge about it so that you can learn it from by researching on YouTube or some others website. Then learn about order list and unordered list, and then learn about the container, how to add a container tag in your HTML, that which is our div section, etc, etc, so that you can make a section. Every web page has a different section. If you want to make a different section, you have to use div or section tag. Now make a project with them so that you can open your hand on them, and so that next time when you write code, you will not stop. You will be write code easily. Now after finishing the project, now learn about buttons, input text, the small and VR. These are gonna be base of sorry, these are gonna be base of your coding. Then learn about HTML structures, then what is head, what is body, what is title, and link, meta tag, etc. If you grab them, I hope you will be the best one, because a lot of uh, old programmer don't know about meta tag and etc. Sorry, meta tag. Now make a project with all of these which are you have learned from beginning of my video, and then make a project based on them with including everything, and do repeat this project for 3 or 4 times. Next, you can say that you have a better knowledge which you learned about the which you learned. Now make sure you are doing every project. If you don't do any project, then nothing will work in the next video, because my next video will be based on CSS, and if you don't make this project, I will I will style on them which you learn using CSS. Then my next video is based on beginner to advanced roadmap about CSS. If you done this project in next video, we will learn CSS by applying CSS in these projects. And make sure you are subscribed my channel, because one after one I will bring some explanation video that I teaching you. Now talk about the advanced roadmap. If first thing first, this is table. If you you have to learn the table. Then what is a TD and TR on table? Then how to make a proper table. Then how to add some content in a table. Then you have to learn how to import a video in your HTML web file, so that you can add some videos when you need to add the videos on your project. Then learn the description link and then nesting lists. And then you must learn about audio, so that you can sometimes you have to add some audios in your web page, so that if anyone wants to make a proper and clear message to his users, there are no alternative of the audios, so that he can explain everything to his customers or users. And then after doing everything, then learn about iframes, that how to add iframe in your web page, that which will be the there is a website will be stay under your website. That means a nesting website it's maybe. Then learn about comment out, that how to comment a code and make some proper comment, that usable comment, so that you can next time understand why do you wrote this for this code, why do you wrote this comment, and everything. You know what, every developer write comment when they code, because comment is the best solution of coding. That when you know that every company will not keep the same developer for their project, there will be a lot of different developer will work on his app or project, so that another developer understand your code. That's why you have to include comments in your coding. And doing comment in your coding, it's best practices of coding. Then next you have to learn column in HTML, and caption, caption which will be the caption of a div or section. Then learn about strong, that how to make a bold or strong text where the user should pay more attention on your text. Then you have to learn about text area. Then there are two things which are more than advanced, that canvas and SVG. Canvas you need sometimes when you write JavaScript code, but it works on HTML sometimes, but when you will be write some JavaScript code in your project, it will be more and more relatable with you, because Canvas will help you to make some awesome animation on your website, and SVG will open you a lot of door about some icons, that when we want to add some icons in our project, we have to waste a lot of time. If we use the SVG icon as an alternative of another icon like PNG or something, stuff like that, SVG will be a best option for us. That SVG we can write a custom code on SVG. You can set a custom size on SVG using the HTML code. So these are the beginner to advanced HTML roadmap. There are a lot of things you should learn, but these are the core things that you must learn about if you want to learn HTML. And then if you learn these things, you don't need to learn more of them, but if you learn more of them, you will be an advanced developer. So my suggestion will be that learn, after learning these, learn the other things. So Madhyasan signing off today from here. See you again in the next video.